Stuck in kitchen chaos? Echo Show 21 fixes it all. Fire TV, Alexa, and 21-inch of pure boss energy. Let's be real, you're drowning in sticky notes, 5 open tabs, a foggy mental to-do list, and a kitchen that's less homey and more hectic tech jungle. Cooking dinner while checking calendars, tracking deliveries, queuing up background music, and dodging incoming video calls? Exhausting. You've tried phones, tablets, and smart speakers, but they all fall short. None can truly manage it all. The result? Lost time, missed reminders, double-booked appointments, and takeout for the third night in a row. If your kitchen feels more like a tech battlefield than a functional family HQ, it's time to stop surviving and start owning your day. The frustration keeps snowballing. Your devices don't sync, your family's scattered, and the daily chaos is eroding your sanity. Alexa gives half-baked answers. Your tablet slips into the sink, again. You miss the school Zoom link, burn dinner while flipping apps, and nobody's checking the calendar. You shout at the smart speaker, it hears play Nickelback instead of check groceries. Your smart tech is dumb and your home runs on duct tape level efficiency. The stress? Palpable. The burnout? Real. You shouldn't need 6 gadgets and a miracle just to prep tacos and call grandma. Something's got to give, before you do. Cue the hero. Echo Show 21, Amazon's biggest, boldest smart display ever. This is not a glorified screen. It's a 21-inch Full HD, Fire TV powered, Alexa embedded, family organizing, recipe surfing, memory framing, video calling command center built to take over the chaos. Finally, one device to rule them all. Manage your calendar, run your smart home, queue up Spotify, check cameras, call your mom, and binge Netflix, all from one stunning touchscreen. With a powerful speaker, auto-framing camera, ultra-wide field of view, and intuitive widgets, Echo Show 21 doesn't just help, it takes over. No stress. No scrambling. Just pure, satisfying control. You'll feel it the moment you tap in. Echo Show 21 transforms your space into a command post of clarity and calm. Personalize your home screen with calendars, weather, lists, or even your favorite photos. Swipe from news to Netflix without breaking a sweat. Check your smart cams, dim the lights, or move music between rooms, all in real time. Wi-Fi 6E support means lightning-fast streaming, while active media lets you groove from kitchen to bedroom without missing a beat. This isn't convenience, it's a lifestyle shift. Streamlined mornings. Organized days. Focused vibes. More control. Less chaos. And yeah, it's kinda addicting. Let's keep it 100, this thing slaps. Whether you're a multitasking parent, a home chef, or just tired of dumb tech, the Echo Show 21 is your new MVP. It's the only kitchen display with Fire TV, Alexa, a 21-inch Full HD screen, and the brains to run your household better than you do, no offense. Limited quantities? You bet. These units fly off the shelves faster than leftovers after Thanksgiving. Plus, you've got Amazon's risk-free return policy backing you up. So why wait to get your life in sync? Click Add to Cart and turn your kitchen into the smartest room in your home, starting today.